Why isn't my oven heating up to temperature? There are 3 reasons for that. It could be the thermostat, could be the gasket seal around the door, or the heating element inside the oven. We're going to look at all 3 today to see what is actually the problem with this oven. First of all, let's make sure that gas is getting to the unit itself. You can test that simply just by turning on your stove. Yeah, gas is getting to the unit. Next thing we're going to do is get inside the oven and see if the element is working properly. After having removed the racks from the oven, we're going to find the screws that secure the base plate or floor of your oven to the rest of the oven body. I've already loosened them, but let me just finish loosening this one up. Now that the screws are loose, we're going to remove the base plate. Should slide out easily. Here's the heat shield that covers the element. We're going to remove this. A lot of the times this is freestanding. This one has 2 screws that hold it into place. We're going to remove those now. We can see here that from this point on, gas is not coming through the holes and igniting. Let's turn off the oven. We'll let our oven cool down for quite a bit. Give it 5 minutes so that this tube is not hot, and we're going to clean the holes along the side of our burner tube. Usually the heat shield keeps the element clean, but you can see there's other debris in this oven, and if it boils up and spatters, it can sometimes get in these holes. So what we're going to do is use our used toothbrush and clean out those holes. Not very aggressively, but just gently going along the perforated edge to make sure that there is no debris in any of those holes. Wow, there you can see. There's a whole section of the burner that wasn't working, and now it's working properly. So now that we've cleaned that off, we're going to turn off the oven, let it cool down, then we're going to clean off the pan itself completely so there's no debris in the base of this oven. While the oven is disassembled, we're just going to check the heat seal gasket around the outside of the oven. This is made of glass fiber, so it won't burn, but it creates an air seal between the oven door and the body of the oven itself. If this is damaged or broken in any way, heat can escape from the oven, preventing your oven from reaching the full temperature. This one's in good shape all the way around. Now that the oven is fully reassembled, we're going to check the internal thermostat and we're going to compare it to an external thermometer. These are really easy to use. You just place it on the rack or hang it from the rack. Great, our oven is working perfectly. After having gone through those 3 steps, we've ensured the long life of our oven and that we can bake things to the proper temperature. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments section and make sure you subscribe to our channel.